Everybody always wants a good product that doesn't cost a lot of money. But unfortunately, in most cases, the more you spend, the better stuff you get. In most cases, but now and again, you can get something that's actually good and doesn't cost a lot of money. And that's what these are. They come in 4 different flavors. They're completely ready to run. So there they are, all lined up. There's your lights, front lights, rear lights. And if I go forward and then brake, look. You've got brake lights as well. That is so cool. The more I turn on there, the more it turns on the car. And then the same on the throttle. And you've got 3 speeds. You've got low speed, press that button, medium, and then high.